It's going to be ruined.
It'll be ruined, exactly. Okay, so I have a new fountain pen nib here from FP Pens. This is a Ultraflex, and I'm just getting used to it. I don't actually talk that much just about line work, so today I'm going to do some line work, and I'll just chat you through as I go. I'll put this reference, obviously it'll be like all the other ones I do, it'll be on my website, and there'll be a link downstairs for that, and then I'll put it in the corner of the screen so you can see. So really this drawing is going to be primarily about layers. So the first layer is a dark layer, and that's going to be this foreground, the trees, sycamore here, and then through that you're going to see this really simple lake scene behind. So primarily I'm going to create this foreground first, and just to warn you, I have an assistant here today. This is Ivor. Say hello, Ivor.
Hey.
And he's going to be helping me. I say helping.
Hi.
What are you doing with that monster truck?
He's talking about your picture.
Is he talking about my picture?
Yeah, he's trying to drive around it.
Is he?
Yeah.
Right, go on then. Let him drive around it and then I'll carry on. Excellent. You're going to bash into these trees on the way. Bash, 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 bash.
I bash on the way back.
Okay.
I bash on them and on the way back.
Okay, you do that then.
Bash, bash, bash. Bash, 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 bash. Bash, bash, bash. Bash, bash, bash.
Excellent. Now, bearing in mind,
He's
I'm going
gonna bash with this on.
Okay. I'm going to fill in all these dark areas with sort of
Bash,
cross-hatching
bash,
and
bash,
things.
bash, bash.
Oi, you shouldn't bash where I'm drawing. That's not good.
Dad, can he turn?
You can turn, but make sure he doesn't go over the bits of wetting, because then
It's going to be ruined.
it'll be ruined, exactly. You just have to be a bit careful with Daddy's drawings, don't you? Right, so this the foreground has been cross-hatched. So it's been hatched one way and then hatched another, and that gives us a bit more density. I've used the flex nib pen to go around the outside of these tree trunks to sort of give them a bit of an uneven feel. So now what I need to do is put in this strip of dense, sort of quite, I want it to be a bit softer in the background, this strip of foliage that runs along here. So again here we're going to have some tiny dots, and then as we get further forward, dot dashes, dot dash, dot dash, and then here we'll have some bigger. Because obviously these are all the same size waves, but as they get further away, they get smaller. Never miss an opportunity to tell the story, right? Okay, so you'll probably see that clearest here where we go. There's also some shadow here, so we can sort of mimic that a little bit. Okay, so So really, I'm going to leave this here. What I would be really tempted to do is use a blue wash and pick out the sky, maybe with ink or watercolour, and then do the same with the water. But the problem I've got is if I go over the top of this, it's going to pick up some of the water-soluble pencil that is, because it's once it's dry, it's not colour fast. And I think that could potentially screw up the whole drawing, and I don't want to screw up the drawing. So I'm gonna leave that there. I've really learned a lot from that. I think I've really enjoyed the line work. Really a lot to learn with this one. It's been a really interesting one. Yeah, a lot to think about. Okay, cheers then. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.